Hi, my name is Shannon, and together with my team, we'll be presenting to you how our menu reservation program works. We've initialized the program, as you can see, and from here, this is the main menu where you can select the main functions of our program, in which we'll be going through in detail. So let's start by looking at the item menu. So here you can see the a la carte menu, in which case you can then order an item, add a new item to menu, or you can edit and update these menu items, or you can remove them from the menu. And so let's just start by ordering some food. So let's order a beef burger. So as you can see, the system feedbacks that the item has been added to the order. And going back here, let's add on by also ordering a drink and dessert. So let's order a pink udon and order a tiramisu. So we can review our current order by looking at the order menu, and here it displays what we have ordered currently as well as its individual prices. So you can return to the main menu from here, and we can go to our items once again, and let's say we want to remove an item. We can simply remove by choosing that option and entering its name. So let's remove a carrot cake, and as you can see, the promotion set that the dessert was part of has been removed as well. Before the system updates us that the item was removed. So going back to the item menu, you can see that the item is no longer there. In addition to that, let's add a new item. So let's say we want to add a dessert to replace the cake that we just removed. So let's add a cheesecake. So going back to our menu, you can see that the cheesecake is now reflected in our updated menu. So let's edit one of the menu items. Let's go and change. Let's update passion fashion, and let's add a drink, and let's add green tea. So going back to the menu, the a la carte menu, you can see that the items have been updated accordingly as well. So let's go back to main menu for now, and here we'll have a look at the promotion packages. So as seen earlier, you can see that the promotion package that is available is here, and from here we can add a new promotion set, and we can remove or update. So we can go ahead and order this. So let's order Ichi Tuesday, and as you can see, it's feedback that is added to order. And going back to the promotion set menu, we can also add a new promotion set. So in this case, let's add a new promotion package. So let's add fish and chips as well, and then let's continue adding more items. So we can add the cheesecake that we added earlier. We can add the green tea that we have added. And so as you can see, the system has been prompting us whether we would like to continue adding more items to the promotion set package. And so in this case, we are done adding the items. So let's just get out of here, and going back to the promotion set menu, you can see that the new promotion package is reflected in here with the correct items and correct description that we have provided earlier while we were adding them to the menu. So we would like to remove the cheesecake. So let's edit Wednesday, and it would ask me if I would like to change the name, and so if I don't, I just put back, enter the same name, and can enter the price and edit it as well. So the name of the items, right? And so going back to the previous items that we have previously added, so going to our set menu, you can see that our promotion set has been updated. And so if we'd like to remove this, we can simply enter the name, and it will inform me that the set has been removed. And to confirm that, let's just go back into promotion packages, and you can see that indeed the item has been removed. So going back to the main menu, let's go to see what we've ordered so far. As you can see, there is a collection. We have a la carte orders as well as promotion set items, and to we can continue ordering as we've seen earlier, that it will bring us back to the items menu, or we can choose to remove an item. In this case, I'm thinking that there's too much dessert, so let's just remove the tiramisu. And as you can, going back to the order, you can see that tiramisu is removed, and so now we only have 3 items. If from here we can directly check out, or we can use the print order invoice function in the main menu, and so that gives us 2 ways for us to check out from here for the convenience of the user. However, before that, let's look at the other functions that we have. So we can also access the reservation menu. So going to the reservation, we can view current available reservations, table availability, as well as add and remove reservations. So let's start by seeing if we have any reservations for today. As you can see, we have no reservation records found for now. So let's just go ahead and add a reservation. So let's say John, and then his contact, and let's say he has 5 people, and we'd like to book at 9 p.m. So you can see that reservation is booked successfully, and going back to our reservation menu, we can see view reservations. We can see that he's assigned to table 11, and we can confirm that by going to our menu once again and checking table availability, and you can see that table 11 is indeed occupied. So let's just say that he is, let's just add let's just change the time now, and let's say it's 9:22, which is 15 minutes after his reservation. So let's just save that, and going back to our reservation menu, we can view reservations again. As you can see, his record was automatically removed because it has been 15 minutes past his reserved time slot. However, for the sake of demonstration, we will be going back to the afternoon, where we can then demonstrate other things. So let's add more reservations. we can check table availability, and we can confirm that indeed the table that has been previously reserved for him has now freed up. So going to the reservation menu once again, let's add more reservations and confirming that with our table availability. So noting that he is table 11, so let's say Smith is done with his meal and Smith would like to then check out. So Smith can then print all the invoice. In this case, we'll do this from here. The staff in charge of his table will then do that, entering his table number, and he will check if he's a customer, and if he is, then he'll print the order, the item breakdown, as well as the subtotal and before charges, as well as the membership discount before showing the total amount payable. So create another reservation. We can just add another one. Going back to our reservations, you can see that our reservation is there, and if we like to remove a reservation, we can just remove and going back to check, you can see that his reservation has been removed and the table that has been pre-assigned to Susan, table 6, is occupied. So with all of this, we can also just confirm and check our sales revenue report. And so printing it, they would prompt us and ask if we would like to view it by month or by day, and when we do so, we can choose the month to view, and let's say since this is the month of November, let's choose today, and you can see that it would print out the total revenue up to today. And if we go back to print and let's say we would like to view for another month, say March, so you can see that there are 3 items sold in March, and business must have been really tough. Maybe it was due to COVID, but no worries. We will check if there are any special dates that they have more sales. So let's see on March the 21st, and we can see that the sales item is only one item and is grouped by day as compared to by month previously. It will also show that it is a la carte item with ALC, as well as a set if it's a set item that was ordered. So it does show the total revenue as well that is totaled. And so yes, that is it for our menu item. Yes, and that is it for the demonstration. Thank you very much.